Welcome back to our channel, Tech and AI Explained, where we explore the fascinating world of technology and its impact on our lives. Artificial intelligence, AI, is rapidly changing the world, and one of the most significant impacts is on the job market. Many experts believe that AI will automate a wide range of jobs, displacing millions of workers. In this video, we'll take a look at 14 jobs that AI is likely to kill off in the coming years. Will your job be affected? Let's find out. Before we get started with the video, don't forget to smash the like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel if you have not done so already. I really appreciate it. Let's dive in. 1. Fast food workers. The fast food industry is also witnessing a significant transformation. Automated kiosks and robotic kitchen assistants are becoming commonplace, reducing the need for human workers. 2. Telemarketers. AI-powered chatbots are already being used by many businesses to answer customer questions and provide support. As these chatbots become more sophisticated, they will be able to handle even more complex tasks, making telemarketers obsolete. 3. Truck drivers. Self-driving trucks are already being tested on the road, and they are expected to become commercially available in the next few years. This will displace millions of truck drivers, who will be replaced by AI-powered vehicles. 4. Factory workers. In manufacturing, repetitive and dangerous tasks are being handed over to robots and automated systems. This not only increases efficiency but also reduces workplace injuries. AI-powered robots are already being used in factories to perform a variety of tasks, such as welding, painting, and assembly. As these robots become more sophisticated, they will be able to do even more jobs, putting millions of factory workers out of work. 5. Data entry clerks. The fifth job on the chopping block is that of data entry clerks. With AI's ability to process and input data faster and with greater accuracy than humans, this role is becoming increasingly automated. 6. Cashiers. Self-checkout machines are becoming increasingly common in stores, and they are expected to replace many cashiers in the coming years. These machines can scan items and process payments much faster than human cashiers, making them a more cost-effective option for businesses. 7. Paralegals. Even the legal field is not immune. AI can quickly sift through massive amounts of legal documents, making legal research more efficient and potentially reducing the demand for paralegals. AI-powered legal research tools are becoming increasingly sophisticated, and they are beginning to replace paralegals in some law firms. These tools can quickly and accurately research legal precedents and statutes, freeing up paralegals to focus on more complex tasks. 8. Stock traders. Wall Street isn't immune to AI's impact either. Algorithmic trading systems are making split-second decisions that can outperform human traders, potentially leading to a decline in the need for stockbrokers. 9. Customer service representatives. AI-powered chatbots are already being used by many businesses to answer customer questions and provide support. As these chatbots become more sophisticated, they will be able to handle even more complex tasks, making customer service representatives obsolete. A reduced number of human customer service representatives will be required to tackle more complex issues. 10. Editors. AI-powered writing tools are becoming increasingly sophisticated, and they are beginning to replace editors in some publishing houses. These tools can proofread and edit documents for grammar and spelling errors, freeing up editors to focus on more creative tasks. 11. Translators. AI-powered translation tools are becoming increasingly accurate, and they are beginning to replace translators in some industries. These tools can translate text from one language to another much faster than human translators, making them a more cost-effective option for businesses. While human translators will still be essential for nuanced work, AI is becoming increasingly proficient in handling basic translation tasks. 12. Accountants. AI-powered accounting software is becoming increasingly sophisticated, and it is beginning to replace accountants in some businesses. This software can automate many of the tasks that accountants do, such as preparing financial statements and filing taxes. 13. Insurance adjusters. AI-powered claims processing software is becoming increasingly sophisticated, and it is beginning to replace insurance adjusters in some companies. This software can quickly and accurately process insurance claims, freeing up adjusters to focus on more complex tasks. 14. Radiologists. Lastly, the medical field is witnessing a shift as well. AI-powered diagnostic tools are assisting radiologists in detecting anomalies, potentially improving accuracy and reducing the workload. Conclusion. So, there you have it, 14 jobs that AI is poised to disrupt or replace. But it's important to remember that while AI can automate certain tasks, it also creates new opportunities and demands for jobs in AI development, maintenance, and oversight. The jobs listed above are just a few of the many that AI is likely to kill off in the coming years. As AI technology continues to develop, it is likely that even more jobs will be automated. This will have a significant impact on the job market, and it is important to start planning for this now. Workers who are displaced by AI should consider retraining for new jobs that are not as likely to be automated. They should also advocate for policies that will help them transition to new jobs, such as retraining programs and wage insurance. If you are concerned about the impact of AI on your job, I encourage you to learn more about the issue and to take action to protect yourself. There are many resources available online and in your community that can help you. If your job is on this list, it might be a good time to consider upskilling and adapting to the changing job landscape. As technology continues to advance, our ability to work alongside AI will be crucial for a successful future. Please add your comments and let us know if your job is affected. Please also share the video with people that may be affected. Don't forget to subscribe to Tech and AI Explained for more exciting insights into the world of technology and its impact on our lives. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.